Okay, this curtsy squat is one of my favorites because it leads into a really cool finishing exercise as you get stronger and more mobile with practice. To do the basic, find a wall nearby just in case you need it, and then stand up nice and tall, supporting yourself on one leg and then crossing the other leg behind, stepping down and then reaching for the floor with that knee right behind the heel. Get as low as you can with the knee and keep your chest open or proud. Once you can go through those steps successfully, you can move to the next step, which is not that, to come down with the toe elevated, tap the knee, and then push off back to standing. So it's just like doing a negative push-up or a negative pull-up where you're working on the eccentric part of it, the down phase in this case, and then helping yourself back up out of it until you build the strength to go both ways with that toe off the ground, which is a big step. So take your time with those first two levels before moving to this one. And then, you can give this one a shot. Once you have built the mobility, you can also, I'm not demonstrating it here, but you could also be holding on to something like a TRX or a rubber band